Hello my friends. Today I am going to show you how to draw a Tyrannosaurus Rex, or T-Rex, from my adventures in Dino Land. He is running behind me. I need to catch him to stay still so I can draw him. Oops, I am going the wrong way. Get back here you silly dinosaur. I start by drawing its large head. This way I can figure out the size and shape of the rest of its body. Make a long swooping line down from the back of its head all the way to the tip of its tail. T-Rex is known first for their big teeth, but second for their tiny little arms, so let's draw one. And another arm. Now we will draw its belly and powerful hind legs. I hope you enjoy me teaching you to draw, as much as I enjoy teaching you. Just follow the lines as you see them drawn and you will have a wonderful picture of a dinosaur. Now let's finish its tail by drawing a line from the tip to near the belly. Be sure not to draw over the leg. Here I am drawing large plates on its back. Remember, this is a cartoon T-Rex. The real T-Rex dinosaur did not have these on its back. I just put them there to make it look scarier. We're almost done. All we need to do is draw its mouth, eye, and body markings to complete our drawing. This was a fun picture to make with you. Please look at my finished color drawing to get an idea of how I colored it. Because it is a cartoon, you can color it any way you like. Be sure to subscribe and return to see more dinosaur drawings like this. Thank you my friend and have a wonderful day.